Today I'm going to explain how to find instantaneous velocity using derivatives. The instantaneous velocity of an object is the limit of the average velocity as the elapsed time approaches zero, or the derivative of x with respect to t. X of t equals s prime of t, like average velocity. Instantaneous velocity is a vector with dimension of length per time. How to calculate acceleration using derivatives. Acceleration can be calculated using derivatives by taking the derivative of velocity. Today I'm going to explain how to find instantaneous velocity using derivatives. Question 1. The displacement of a moving bus from Abu Dhabi to Fujairah is given by the equation s equals 5t squared plus 3t plus 8, where t is hours. S of t is measured in meters. Find the instantaneous velocity of the moving bus at t equals 2. Step 1 is to write the given function, which will be s of t, and that will equal to 5t squared plus 3t plus 8. Step 2 is to find the derivative of the function, which will be s of t, and that will equal to 5t squared plus 3t plus 8. S prime of t will equal to 5 times 2 to get 10t to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 3 plus 0, which will equal to S prime of t will equal to 10t plus 3. Step 3 is to plug in a given value for time in the function, which will be v of 2, and that will equal to s prime of 2, and that will equal to 10 times 2 plus 3 to get 23 meters per hours. Position of an airplane flying from China to Sharjah is given by the equation x of t equals t cubed minus 11t squared plus 70t, which is measured in meters. Find the instantaneous velocity of the airplane at t equals 6 hours. Step 1 is to write the given function, to be x of t, and that will equal to t cubed minus 11t squared plus 70t. Step 2 is to find the derivative of the function, which will be x of t, that will equal to t cubed minus 11t squared plus 70t. X prime of t will equal, first of all, what to do is 1 times 3 to get 3t to the power of 3 minus 1, and then we'll do negative 11 times 2, and then we get negative 22t to the power of 2 minus 1, and then I get plus 70. So basically x prime of t will equal 3t squared negative 22t t plus 70. Step 3 is to plug in the given value for time in the function, which will be v of 6, and that equal to s prime of 6, and that equals to 3 times 6 squared minus 22 times 6 plus 70, and that will give us 46 meters per hour. A boat moves along the sea from Odabimina to Zayanori Island Resort. The function x of t equals 4t squared minus 3t plus 8 gives the boat's position at any time, which is measured in meters. Find the instantaneous velocity of the boat at t equals 8 hours. Step 1 is to write the given function, which will be x of t not equals to 4t squared minus 3t plus 8. Step 2 is to find the derivative of the function. What we have is x of t that equals to 4t squared minus 3t plus 8. X prime of t, it will equal 4 times 2, and that will equal to 8t to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 0, which will equal to x prime of t equal to 8t minus 3. Step 3 is to plug in the given value for time in the function, which will be v of 8 that will equal to s prime of 8, and then that will equals to 8 times 8 minus 3, and that will equal to 6 meters per hour. The Expo 2020 had a drone show where they showcased the UAE's achievements over the past 50 years. The function g of t equals t squared plus 8t minus 3 gives the drone's position when time is greater than 0 but less than 4, which is measured in meters. Find the drone's acceleration at t equals 3 minutes. Step 1 is to write the given function, which will be g of t equals t squared plus 8t minus 3. Step 2, find the derivative of the function. What you have is g of t equals t squared plus 8t minus 3. So g prime of t, it will equals 1 times 2. So basically what you get is 2t to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 8 minus 0, which that will equal g of t equal 2t plus 8. Now step 3 is to plug in the given value for time in the function, which will be v of 3, and that will equals to s prime of 3, and that will equals to 2 times 3 plus 8, which will equals to 14 meters per minute. It passes through space to reach Earth. It is expected that it will hit the ground at Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The function h of x equals h cubed plus 2h squared plus 6h minus 5 gives the comet's position when t is greater than 5 but less than 11, which is measured in meters. Find the comet's acceleration at t equals 10 hours. Step 1 is to write the given function, which will be h of x, and that will equal to h cubed plus 2h squared plus 6h negative 5. Step 2, find the derivative of the function. What we have here is h of x, and that will equal to h cubed plus 2h squared plus 6h negative 5 h prime of x, that would equal to 1 times 3, what we get here is 3h to the power of 3 minus 1, and then we'll add 2 times 2, and I get 4h to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 6 negative 0. We see what we have now is h prime of x, and that will equal to 3h squared plus 4h plus 6. Step 3 is to plug in the given value for time in the function. What we have now is v of 10, that will equal to v prime of 10, which is equal to 3 times 10 squared plus 4 times 10 plus 6, and that will equal to 346 meters per hour.